reigning Big 8 champion, reigning Spring Classic champion, and Rockford Speedway champion, Michael Bilderback in car number 2. And at the back of the line, electing to start in the back, car 99 from New Berlin, Wisconsin, that is Jake Zelmer. We're 1 lap from green. Oh, here's the odd dash. This is pretty big deal. Winner starts on the pole. We went through that whole lineup deal, and again, Michael Bilderback, if he finishes 5th on back, he'll start no worse than 9th in the main event as far as time goes. But he'll want to race up through the field. Coming around the green, good looking start. Reynolds jumps away from DJ Smith. Sargent and Bilderback want to call along. Johnson and Zelmer scraping for that outside spot. Shearer pulls up in front of Casey Johnson. DJ Smith is hung on the bottom. John Reynolds Jr. leads. Sargent going to go after Reynolds for the lead. Bilderback to 3rd. Shearer and Smith are going to go at it for 4th. Door to door for 4th. Bilderback to the inside of Sargent for 2nd. Reynolds leading. Not that far ahead of the battle for 2nd with Sarge and Bilderback. Shearer in 4th, free and clear at Johnson. Smith and Zelmer battle at the back. Sargent and Bilderback get close. 3 in, it'll be halfway next time by. Bilderback and Sargent inches apart as they go down the back straightaway. Halfway through the odd dash, John Reynolds Jr., your leader. Now Kyle Shearer catching that battle for 2nd. Bilderback tries to finish the deal for 2nd. He does. Now it opens the door for Kyle Shearer, who wants 3rd, and Casey Johnson is in the picture now in the 5. It'll be 2 to go when they get back. Michael Bilderback wants the lead and the pole. He wants to take it away from John Reynolds Jr., the X-Car. Johnson takes a peek to the inside of Shearer. 2 laps to go. Here comes Mikey. Door to door in 1 and 2 for the lead. White flag coming, 1 to go. Sargent right there if they slip. Reynolds holds the advantage. Bilderback will dive into 1 more time. Good corner by Reynolds, holds a wheel length advantage. Bilderback 1 more time. Reynolds holds his ground, doesn't overstep the line. They're close coming to the line. It's Reynolds. 3 feet ahead of Bilderback. Sargent 3rd, Shearer in 4th, and Casey Johnson comes home 5th. Then it's Smith and Zelmer. So starting 7th in the 88 lap main event will be Kyle Shearer in 37. Starting 5th will be 26, Tim Sargent. Starting 3rd will be Michael Bilderback in the 2. And starting on the pole position for the 88 lap Spring Classic this afternoon, looking to become a 2-time champion of the event. It's the X-Car from Loves Park, the 104.9, the XKMK Media, Buffalo Wild Wings, Colin Metals, Corner Pump Chevy. About it for Driver X, John Reynolds Jr.